Good morning everyone. I'm Pratiksha Rai. I am from Teach for India team. So today I'm here to give a brief presentation about Teach for India Fellowship Program. So before that I want to give a background about Teach for India. So we are working in a education sector from past 12 years for the deprived sections of the society, where our main aim is to ensure the participation, ensure the enrollment in the school, so that all the dropouts and the children who have been detained from the school till now will get enrolled in the school. So I'll start with the presentation. So see, it's a human notion where whenever we'll join a new thing, we'll about to start a new thing, we need to analyze both the challenge and the opportunities at the both end, right? So first I would like to discuss about the challenges, where fellow can get some, like, it might get challenged with some points, with some kind of like adjustment issues. So first I would like to highlight to find the alignment towards work. See, whenever we join, wherever we join and in whichever sector we work, alignment of work is more important. So maybe in first initial days it might be the problem. So second, to adjust with other 15 members in a group from different regions. Here the fellow have to work with 15 to 20 numbers of group members in a group from a different regions of nation, in the journey of nation building development, right? So the fellow might face some problem in adjusting and adaptation as well. So third, to compete with other fellows. And post fellowship, it will be like it will be an opportunity. And what will be the perk post fellowship, I would like to highlight. First, you'll be the fellow will be the part of alumni movement. Second, to adapt in a new environment and adjust with new people, since you will be involved in a very rigorous process while the fellowship of 2 years. And third and the most important point is, you will be more aware about yourself, since you will be involving in a very different process with a very different kind of people in a very different kind of setup. So there you will learn more about yourself. And lastly, identification of the working sector. So post fellowship, you'll have the freedom, you'll get the path through, because fellowship is not something that it won't be for forever, right? So it's just a pathway to guide the student, to guide the youngsters to develop their career and to be the asset of a company, any company where they joined after fellowship, or contributing towards nation building. So now many of us in the room might be thinking that, will it be the right decision to be the part of, to join the fellowship program? Will it be worth to invest my 2 years where I am in a very peak to develop my career? So I would like to say yes, it will be a very right decision, because see, fellowship is for 2 years and it will be a very, like, you'll get a very rich exposure. This I'm saying out of my experience, because once I was in that fellowship journey. So it will be a right decision. And now I would like to discuss in detail. So first, by joining the fellowship program, you'll transform life. While talking about transforming life, I'm not talking about others' life. I'm talking about your life as well. When we work, when you have the opportunity to work with the students, teachers, other stakeholders, other line departments, and with other fellows from different regions, you'll get an ample number of learning and exposure, where through which you'll also transform your self, individual life, as well as you'll also contribute towards others' life, which is uh, which is a very significant indicators of this whole fellowship. Second, you'll grow as a leader. See, wherever you'll join, right? So you'll get the you'll develop the skills. Yeah, you'll develop this leadership skills, where you have to lead, and you'll be on a leading aspects, where things will wherever you'll join, you'll have to lead the team, right? So through fellowship, you you'll get the you'll get to uh, lead the schools, where you'll be allotted. You'll get the opportunity to deal with the teachers, right? And you'll grow as a leader. Yeah, you can consider that you'll be able to take the problem not as a problem, but you'll approach towards a solution driven approach, as we see. So that is one of the major indicators of being a good leader. And apart from that, while we talk about future, so post fellowship, you'll be in a you'll be in the alumni movement, where you'll be developing the network amongst peers and with outer world, so that you'll get the better opportunities in your life. Next, now I'll just give a brief outline about the journey of a fellow. So in first month of fellowship, it will be an induction process for 1 month, where the fellow will be trained about how to take a class, how to deal with the different stakeholders, and also a specific class for pedagogy, where it's a pedagogy where it will be how it's a some sort it's a behavior where you want to deal you have to deal with the children's behavior, and not only with the excellent children, but also with the children who are in a moderate and below average level, and also learning or teaching methods, new innovative ideas. That sort of training and workshop will be given to the fellow. So it's a basically kind of training to uh, to contribute in a school. So after that, after 1 month of training, the fellow will be allotted schools. Then in first year of teaching, that will be for 10 months, where the fellow will be involved fully with the student in initial phase. It will be you'll get the opportunity to pair up with your co-fellows, so that through cross learning also you'll get some idea about how to deal with all the situations. And after that, you'll have a monthly assessments and all. And in some and after that 10 months of first year of teaching, there will be a 2 months of internship program, where the assessment of 11 months will be done. Assessment not as in written and some sort of it's not an exam, but it's a discussion, where you'll be hearing about more about your co-fellows experience, through which you can adopt in your next 10 to 11 months of your fellowship program, so that you'll be able to impart a quality education, and how to deal with the community to ensure the full participation, and to enroll the student in the school. And in final year, that is second year of teaching, that will be for 10 months. So here you have already spent the fellow have already spent 1 year, so they have a rough idea about how to deal with all the situations. And here you will have to get more involved with the community people and the parents of the children whose children has been deprived, and whose children has been detained or drop out from the schools. So here you have to involve more with community people. And of course the student learning outcome is one of the major aspects. So that progress and improvement is also a major factor for your assessment. So after completing 23 months, so from like last if you have joined the fellowship this year, like 2021, so from like after 24 months 2023, you will be on an alumni movement, and all the help you'll get from the Teach for India team. So this is the impact one fellow makes. So fellowship, when we talk about fellowship, I'd like to throw more light on the depth of fellowship program. So fellowship program is basically for 2 years. It will be paid for sure, and it will be a full commitment to the children who need it the most. See, when we talk about children of deprived sections, so we won't go in a metropolitan city and in a proper city area where parents are already aware about the importance of education. Here we mainly focus on, when we talk about metropolitan city, we'll be focusing on slums areas, and in rural areas we'll be focusing on more remote areas where the parents itself is not so aware about the importance of education. So this kind of impact you make to the children, and give the exposure and give the resources to the children who have been deprived, just to have a very basic education in life. So as an alumnus, you have a multiple career options. First being curriculum and assessment, education management, information system, technology, in who have the interest in technology, so they can also build their career in technology, in education, school leadership, right, teaching, school finance and resources, community empowerment. So likewise you have a multiple career options post fellowship program. So here Teach for India post fellowship, you will be in a global network, because Teach for India itself is a brand has which has been known for effective contribution in education sector from past 12 years. So it's like Teach for India and Teach for All, right? This is the selective process where you will be like the fellow itself will have a numerous growth in a multiple ways. So consider as a very some selective fellows which have actually considered in a proper way to build a nation. So only out of this only few fellows have been successfully will be successfully contributing in a nation building program. So apart from that, I would also like to focus here that everyone is not joining a fellowship program, right? But the people who are joining the fellowship program considered like only 10%, I'll say. So only 10% of the like student been joining the fellowship program, but I won't say like rest of the individuals or rest of the students haven't developed a career, but this selective candidates has been recorded that as an alumnus they have been doing a very like they have been a very success stories in their life and doing good in their career, right? So now I would like to leave with a thought saying that what if you could build a nation, right? You could build a nation and your future at the same time with a movement of leaders. So this was my presentation. Thank you so much for listening so patiently. So last, if you want to know more about fellowship program and selection process and all, you can check our website. And if you want to write down, then you can write down in our email ID. And here important final application deadline is on 19th September 2021, right? So you have 2 months to think about it, whether it will be a good decision, whether it will be fruitful for you or not. Please go through it. And um, we have a record of the university joining every year, like 15 to 20% final students has been joining with us from like past 5 to 6 years. So I want to have a positive view that maybe this time we'll be able to increase like 25 to 30% maybe. So thank you so much for listening. Please go through our pages. If you want to write up, then you have the all the details. Yeah, thank you so much. तूने कौन सा फोन ले गया यार?